Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely.
My people, oh, kinder get don cause big problem for many home now. Kinder get wahala. Kinder get wahala, my people, my beautiful people in the house. More than listening, oh, this kinder get money where they pay children now. Can they cause problem for home now, my people? This thing they shockalize me. I tried to topic about and that day. So many men call me. They say that so they know they do like that. So some men they don't know why they behave like that. So this one now they can't even fight. Come out. Kinder get wahala. Kinder get. What the kinder get go cause for many home, my people. Kinder get. So men no want to work again now because of money where they pay children. No money where they say money they take care of children. Now mama that's supposed to hold that money before. I don't know how this money can affect men. No, where be say so say they can't they fight. Igbo. This one's not they be Igbo. They can't they fight. Not be the one we don't see be this one. What about the one we will never see? What about the one we will never see, my people? When I see my shocked alive. I say, eh? So they can't even fight the man. The man not even the shame in the video. The woman they said I ain't go hold the money. The man they said I ain't go hold the money. My people. Okoba ifo in Nigeria. Okoma ifo in Nigeria. Oh, kinder get wahala. Una go do now. Come make all those. Una come make them understand now. Say that this money now let the enter on our head. They will come change law because of una now. Yeah, they fit change law because of una now. As it be saying that kinder get come the cause problem for home now. Me, I don't understand my people. How can a kinder you let kinder get cause problem for your own house? Kinder get will be say now money with the same they take care of children. Now man can they fight for now? Me, I don't understand my people. When I see I'm shocked alive, I say, eh? You me say now kinder get the cause problem so the woman said I ain't go hold the money because now operation ain't take born the pikin. The man said that he go hold the money. Now he be the man of the house. Like seriously? So can't you walk? You this man. You not feel walk. Where be say you call the fight because of kinder get money where they say me mama till they take care of children. Now a man want on they eat now. Me I don't understand what you call the apple again. Oh. So say man go bring your wife come for Nigeria. You go to tell the wife say that money that they pay papa, you know go let the woman know. You get one when my eye just reach. He let to the woman say, you know, say that the money whether they pay papa. It's not be money whether they pay mama. He tell the woman say they not they pay mama now papa that they pay the money. He go collect the money. You can they give the woman 100 will take cook for 1 month. Then the woman can say the woman not even know because he not let the woman make friends because he bring the woman from Africa. That's what they do. If they bring their wife, they'll tell their wife, say, the money na for man, not before woman. So the woman not go know. That one not get friend, don't want to tell her. Not because she can't make friend, then you can't follow a friend, go collect money. So that a friend call the talk, say, this money too small where they pay for this month. Because I wish money. Because I money where they pay. I said, no, he said that money na money where they pay papa. That the friend called and said, no, now you that money that they pay mama till they take care of the children. This one I now this one are children. Oh, now the woman shocked her lies. And the woman say, you mean now? I say, hey, I will loan that today for me with my husband. So you mean say this money ever since? Now he's supposed to they collect and the husband can't they collect him. And the woman say, no, you not go agree. Then the woman can't go ask. Okay, that kind of thing, it not go cause problem for home. Me no understand. And the reason I say now lazy man. Now they fight for kinder get money. Because if you not be lazy man, what you go make you they fight for kinder get money? What you go make you they fight for money when they pay children? Me, I don't understand. So man, you know if you work to take care of your family, like seriously, can't you work? You know if you work, if government not contain now, you don't go work, take care of your children. If understand the day home, that money, you know, supposed to be cause problem for home. Because not be only man go to take care of the family. At least woman go see the help am too. But when understand the non, then they bring all those problems. You know, I know say some women they will collect this money, they carry and go Nigeria. They want to build that, they want to do this. If the man can't know, you can't be problem. Okay, what you can't make these two couple now? Can't they fight? I don't know whether many of you don't see the video. If you never see and make a show now small for the video. See when the woman they deal with the husband now, this thing now what can separate them now. Can that get? You want to separate them? I don't understand though, my people. There are some kind of things where you go see and you go shock lies. You go shock lies. Where you go see and say, eh? Can that get? Now I can they cause problems. See? Now people that they speak. Now my husband can't even the translator for me. See? See? They are picking the even they cry for the background. Two of them want fight because of money. Will not reach anything. See? They are picking the even they cry for the background because I don't want to be that voice even enter this thing now. The pikin they cry. They don't even take care of pikin though. Then they fight because of pikin that gets. See? The woman two of them. Husband and wife, then they fight because of kinder get money. Kinder get now come the cause problem for who? He get one when I know that time too. Then they fight. The video now will let me show where because I don't know whether or not they see him. Now he go that they speak. The woman said now operation. Now he take born. Now he go take care of the pikin. The man said now he be the man of the house. Like seriously? Now you want to do man of the house. Not go do it for work. Not go work. Maybe they do. I am a man of the house. Now me go take care of the home. Can't you work? Can't you work? You this man. Can't you work? How you depend on social money? Like seriously? How much? When you not feel work to take care of your family, may respect day. Now you work on the fight for kinder get money. Kinder get like seriously. My people. See, I'm picking they cry. They abandon picking because of money. They abandon them. If they can't collect this picking from one tomorrow, I'll say government they bad do, they be this so. Whereas now waiting when I use my hand take cost. Can you imagine? Can you imagine, my people? I say get one when I know that time. Immediately they just transfer the committee woman. He just come from Italy. They just transfer the committee woman. The next thing na fight. He begin they ask him where the money where they pay children. How you say they do one? Now he's supposed to owe the money. The other one said I ain't go owe the money. This one said I ain't go owe the money. Kata come there ask my people. Fights come burst. Fights come burst too. Because the man, this one said I ain't want owe money. The other one said I ain't want owe money. Who want to owe the money? Fights come burst. That day they separate them. They separate them. The woman wrong. Go me social say I don't want to make this man stay with me for us again. How na go allow kinder get the cause problem for now? Lazy man, I they do that kind of thing. Lazy man. Even though let me make you say they know they respect us because una too lazy for my liking. Some men, not be all men no. Some men they are too lazy. They don't want to work. Are you bow? Are you bow? That shame throw one don't fair do. You know go come up for una high. Una see one collect again for the woman. Can you imagine kinder get to call the cause problem for whom? The man say I be man of the house. You want to do oga for his house, you don't want work. So say una is this not a shame and disgrace? This is shame and disgrace. And you just be shame and disgrace. Can you imagine? When I see him, the thing they provoke me really. They fight because of kinder gets. Money where they say, more until they take care of children. Now this man say no, say now he want collector. Now he be man of the house. The woman say now he be woman of the house. Now because she use a operation table, now she go take care of the children. Like just imagine, see what the couple they do to themselves, my people. Mona just reason am with me now. Mona reason am. Just Mona as the Mona think, I'm Mona reason the thing where say kindergarten now they cause problem for home. Kindergarten. When this man go feel work, take care of your children. Say no, you don't want work. You want depend on government forever. I say many they don't they work. Though they follow their woman, they drag the money. You can't see where man and woman go they quarrel for his ass because of kindergarten money. See this one now. This one number one now. Many day will be say did not break their home. That make you say single mother full everywhere. You don't go blame them. And what is some men they do? Man, we don't want to work. You want to depend on woman money. What would I expect? Maybe all those ones. Can you imagine? Can you imagine the concombility? When man go to be, when man supposed to they work, you go they get respect. As I tell my husband, you don't go work. You don't go work. Now you can't they depend on kid that get money. If you depend on kid that get money, you want to do something for home. The house what are they say when I want build. You don't go work. If you they work, they come the woman they collect that one. At least before you collect money on the 15, they don't pay the woman. The woman will still shopping for house, do everything. I know some women they are out there their body too. They don't want do something. They don't want bring the money out. I know some women they stingy where. They don't want to bring the money. They want they collect the money. Only then go the shopper. At least see bring come home. Maybe this is not the cost problem again. If they pay you the kid that get, see do small shopping for house. You know me say you just keep the money. Only you want to just they use them. That one is not done, my dear. The truth doesn't mean we'll not talk. Collect the money. Do small shopping for house. At least before the man go receive money on the 15th, if the man they work, before the man will constantly give you. Not be saying you collect some women just they own their body, you collect the money, they pack or go Nigeria. It's not done, my dear. It's not allowed. It's not done, really. Well, how they do one again. At least collect some, see do shopping for house. Maybe this is not the cost problem again. More than even let us go no now say now money na call the fight for. Money can they cause break home. Money can they cause many problems. This people can't stop. I'll come see the money one out they eat that time. We be say anything we reach Africa people and it must they different. It must they different. That anything we reach Africa people and where we kill me here, now just destroy, scatter everything. Africans. Una own do una body really. Other tribes they collect this money. When I thought yesterday they don't fight. No. Other tribes that they collect this money, they don't fight. Africa people, especially Nigeria. Thank God this one are Igbo, not be even Benin disgrace themselves now. They was say, hey, Benin don't start oh, Benin don't start oh, Benin don't do this one though. Thank God this one not be Benin oh. Igbo they speak. So they don't not believe Benin they do all those things. Even Igbo, all tribes that they do. But other African countries, I never see them come and fight for Kida Ghetto. Now we must fight. Ayegbe for everywhere. We must fight. My people. I beg African people on their own too much. Kida Ghetto will cause problem. Can you imagine? People, I beg. That's why I want to do this video, Rich. Because the verse as I did here, so the verse really. My people, I beg this video, don't do like this. Thank you, everybody. Take care until I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you, everybody. Bye. And share this video and always put thumbs up for me. Thank you. So anything you think about this video, leave your comments for the comment section so that make people make them learn. Really share this video. Really share them. Make you reach many lazy men and share them. Thank you.